Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to understand some very important personal finance rules that can help you manage your money in a smarter way. These are simple and practical rules that can improve your saving habits, investment decisions, and overall financial life. Even if you're not strong in maths or finance, these rules are easy to understand and apply in daily life. They will help you calculate faster, plan better, and build wealth step by step. Let's start with the 10 important personal finance rules. 1. Rule of 72 simple way to understand money doubling. The rule of 72 helps you estimate how long it will take for your money to double. You just divide 72 by the interest rate. For example, if you invest at 8% return, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. So your money will double in approximately 9 years. This rule is very useful for quick investment planning and understanding growth without complex calculations. 2. 100 minus age rule asset allocation idea. This rule helps you decide how to divide your investments. Take 100 minus your age. If your age is 30, then 100 minus 30 equals 70. So you can invest 70% in equity like stocks and mutual funds, and the remaining 30% in safer options like fixed deposits or bonds. This gives a simple idea of balancing risk and safety. 3. 50-30-20 budget rule, monthly money management. This rule helps you manage your monthly income. 50% should go to needs like rent, food, bills, transport, and basic expenses. 30% should go to wants like shopping, entertainment, travel, and lifestyle. 20% should go to savings and investments. This method helps you control expenses and build consistent savings. 4. Emergency fund rule, safety for financial problems. Always keep at least 6 months of your monthly expenses as emergency savings. This money should be easily available in a savings account or liquid fund. For example, if your monthly expense is 25,000, you should keep at least 1.5 lakh as emergency fund. This helps you during job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected situations. 5. Life insurance rule, income protection. A simple rule for life insurance is to take coverage equal to 20 times your annual income. If your yearly income is 5 lakh, then your life insurance should be around 1 crore. This ensures your family is financially safe in case of any unfortunate event. 6. EMI rule, control your loan burden. Your total EMI should not exceed 40% of your monthly income. If your salary is 50,000, then your total EMI should stay below 20,000. This helps you avoid debt stress and maintain financial balance. 7. Retirement rule, 25 times expense rule. For retirement planning, you should aim for a corpus that is 25 times your yearly expenses. If your yearly expense is 10 lakh, then your retirement goal should be around 2.5 crore. This helps you generate passive income after retirement. 8. Pay yourself first rule, investment habit. Always invest first before spending. As soon as you receive your salary, set aside your investment amount first. Do not wait for leftover money at the end of the month. This habit helps you build long-term wealth. 9. 3 into 3 into 3 investment rule, simple planning structure. First 3 priorities are emergency fund, insurance, and financial protection. Second 3 priorities are debt repayment, retirement planning, and safe investments like pension or gold. Third 3 priorities are growth investments like stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. This creates a balanced financial plan. 10. Consistency rule, wealth building habit. The most important rule in personal finance is consistency. Regular saving, disciplined investing, and long-term thinking build real wealth. Small steps every month can create big financial results over time. Conclusion. These personal finance rules are simple guidelines to improve your money management and financial decision-making. Every person has a different financial situation, so use these rules as a general guide. If you follow them properly, you can improve savings, reduce financial stress, and move towards long term wealth creation.